The Way of Wade 3D Infinity 2.0. Lunar Rock 2025 colorway. Since its introduction a few years ago, 3D printed footwear has shown itself to be more resilient than initially anticipated, even though it hasn't completely replaced conventional sneaker manufacturing. Numerous companies have dabbled in the technology, and now Li-Ning's Way of Wade subsidiary is entering the market with one of the most daring designs to date, the Way of Wade 3D Infinity 2.0 Lunar Rock. This futuristic style, which takes its cues from lunar meteorites, is made to be comfortable for everyday use as well as informal occasions. Through the use of 3D printing, the shoe provides improved ventilation and a lightweight feel, guaranteeing maximum comfort without compromising structural integrity. In keeping with its space-age look, the sneaker comes in distinctive packaging that is modeled after a rock specimen collection bag, adding to its uniqueness.